All right, guys, back to the dude's inner treasure chest. We got the front of this clear. There were a total of 6 locks there. Let's keep going in that direction. Let's see what we got now. A couple of guys here. Let's start. Let's stay in order. Let's stay with this little guy. I can see some... Well, let me put this up here so you guys can see what it's upside down. But, 3.5. That's probably, and I'm guessing, that's probably the price, which were stamped on a lot of Russian locks. I can see the Cyrillic there. And on the other side, those of you guys who can make out Cyrillic, maybe you'll leave something down in the description telling us what that says. Anyway, when we flipped it over, I saw that it is a tubular lock. So let's try this. Get this over here, set him there, orient like so. Try to get a deep angle. And let's see what we got here. Trying to figure out, before I put a lot of effort into this, because we have a ring right here, I'd be willing to bet that the outer ring is what you've got to put pressure on. It's pure speculation, but this probably stays still. So let's try it. I have 2 different tensioners here. Got this little guy, the goat. But a lot of times on these strange locks, get that like so, the goat doesn't really want to fit very well. And that's because this little leg right here is just a little bit too thick to go down inside of that narrow groove. It's pretty narrow. So I have another one here. This is one of the original Sparrows tensioners. And what I've done is, you can see I kind of ground this off for one of the previous locks on the outer box. We might get to recycle this. I'm glad I didn't throw him away after I mangled him. Again, I'm trying to find a good angle here. So let's put him right there. Not the best angle, and not real steady. Let me turn him a little bit more. Okay, that thick leg goes in the groove, and that little fine, thin one goes kind of over there. I'm going to have to hold him like so. Let's move that. Arg. All right, I'm sure this is all designed to do this to me. Get that out of there. Let's try it like that again without everything precariously balanced up on that block. And what I will do is add yet one more variable to this whole thing. Here we go. I believe that is 10. I'm going to have to hold it with one finger. And to get down in there, take this little guy. It is, well, a formerly multi-pick pick, but I bent the tip, and then I got tired of reforming, and I cut it off, and now I got a 15 thousandths probe, which is going to fit down in here nicely. Let me start right here, I guess close to 12 o'clock. Kind of gritty. He's still springy. Little turn, and that's about to pop out on me. Come on. Stay in there, stay in there. Tensioning is one of the biggest challenges, isn't it? Okay, he's definitely bound. Look at this guy. He's okay. Oh, there we go. Do we have an open? No, dang it. All right, so we got to keep going. Turn him on his side. And let's try to get that tensioner at a slightly different angle now. And you'll notice everything turn, not just the outer ring, but the inner ring as well. So this whole thing is one little fixture. And get in there. That's not the best angle, is it? All right, let's try it again. Okay, he was nice, solid click, pretty gritty. Still springy. Nice click. He's definitely not going anywhere. He's good. One of them has to work. Either that or I've already overset one of these guys. I've only set 2 of them. Got another click out of that one. And it started to go. Arg! Started to turn. So I got the equivalent. I know this is difficult to see, but it's also difficult to hold. It started to turn and nothing popped up. So I'm going to hold that tension and see if I can pop one of these other guys in place and get the rest of the pick. He's not going anywhere. That guy's good. That guy's good. Come on, don't drop it. Arg. Well, nothing popped up. So let's just slide it back in there. Try not to screw up. Keep applying tension. And there we go. And there is an open on. If I can get him out of there. Wow, that's tight. That's really tight. May have to cut him out of there. There we go. All right, there you go, guys. The Russian, whatever this thing is. Anybody who wants to do a translation, feel free in the description. I wasn't sure I was going to get that guy. The hardest part of him was tensioning. But luckily I had that tensioner from one of the previous locks. Anyway, guys, there you go. Appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal, dude. This is getting better and better. Thanks, guys.